Video and the Insta360 mic Air and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Oh man, is it that time of season again? Probably the only house that's lit up in the neighborhood. Oh man, that's beautiful. Do I need to turn off pure video mode? That's the question. And there is a shot with regular video mode, and you could tell the difference. I'm gonna take a photo. I'm heading down to the shore, to the bay, to the beach. Maybe I'm gonna go see what it looks like again. I didn't try hard and I got things done. And Joe was helpful too. Yes indeed, the beeswax, some of it was taken care of. And I still got more to do. Always more. There's traffic up there, but we just don't see it. Moseying along after the boats, because the diesel is blowing this way. They just run when you come by. They're going to go find something. Just find a spot and go. Sleep. Well, we're gonna just pull to the side and just check out the view. We got a star above and no plane flying, but a bird, a duck, going over. If you watch closely, you'll see silver spots underneath the water, and they are fish. The fish. Well, I made it down and had my fun and my share, my talk and my ride, and I am gonna go meet up with Joe and take care of more beeswax. I had a good time doing it, and I got some more stuff to do. It's fun to do things that just don't go together right, that you make it go together right, if you know what I mean. Well, at least I'm waiting for the sunrise and having a good day. It's time for me to pack it on in and get on going. I did catch up with my editing, and I'm all caught up, and I got one more on this camera. So I got 2 to go for whatever I shoot today. And on that note, I see you on the next one.